Manipur's first COVID-19 patient free from surveillance tests negative for the fourth time today. MPCC President M. Okendra tells MLAs to stop wooing voters while distributing COVID-19 relief items, demands proper execution under Disaster Management Act 2005. Kurai MLA El Susindra launches website to aid people of Kurai constituency stranded outside the state. Active cases of COVID-19 in India cross 21,000. Death toll reaches 886. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds video conference with state chief ministers to discuss various aspects relating to COVID-19 situation. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangchum bringing you the top stories. Manipur's first COVID-19 woman is now free from surveillance. As per protocol, her test result is found negative for the fourth time today. It may be mentioned that she was detected coronavirus positive on March 24th and discharged from Jennings Hospital on April 12th after testing negative for COVID-19. For the third time. Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar today said the test was conducted per instructions of Indian Council of Medical Research. He reaffirmed that Manipur is now a corona-free state. However, the minister urged everyone to continue taking precautionary measures as COVID-19 positive cases are rising in other states of the country. He assured that measures are in place to fence international borders of the country. Minister Jayantakumar stressed on the need for the border areas residents to be on high alert against coronavirus. He appealed to maintain social distancing and cleanliness to ward off the disease.
Myanmar da hojik kari tawrige khangde Myanmar da medical akhoi gi facilities wale yamna simayam lo dum emit tawi the haiba jaga siri da aham bata wa ngangam da gi Myanmar kam lo pi yak ta dan house mi simina thok tan even moi gi Buddhist mong bhawa thora ga mark su madu akhoi ngarang han gi media gi kanu sing da buti report da khoi unagre do adu gi film si yawraba kan si da Manipur da thoki bida ngari positive case ani lairamba phagi bida ngari ba adu ga laina sina maram modana karamba kan da amuk lakadagi na haibasi ngamdadana akhuna section lei siko an hiring ada Myanmar gum jaga ta ki fencing tong na tandu potu lakslapot taragade ase yam nungai ta makhil pot am oigani na haibato health minister moina yam na matu appeal tawjanangi.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has demanded the state government to keep necessary state disaster management authority, state executive committee and advisory committee under the provision of Disaster Management Act 2005. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today, MPCC President Moirangthem Okendra said that various essential works could be executed under the Disaster Management Act to fight COVID-19, stating that police have detained many people by filing FIRs under the Act. He lamented that people, however, are deprived of benefits under the same Act. The MPCC President demanded authorities concerned to form a disaster management state plan under the Act and give necessary guidelines to the public.
State Disaster Management Authority se kadai chai khre koi hoji phabu uba phangde aduga State Executive Committee uba phangde Advisory Committee uba phangde si yaudana sigi makhadani ek sigi makhadani torokadori thabak thorum khudimak adu khoi khabar da kaida thengna jaba kharadana ek sigi makhada sum phaba punbagi FIR lokhatpadi thengnai aduga ek sigi makhada tawgadaba masung laiba praja singda thamgadaba pigadaba kanaba na singbadi amata mase khoi uba phangde mase khoi tawjaiba demand se Manipur mayam gi interest tha aduba लेबाक्स लेमिनरी खै पुनमक इंटरेस्ट कनागुम पॉलिटिकल बायस अमा नत्रगा मसी सरकार सिब मराल सिब की वाफम अमत लेजदे पालिब लेंगाक्सिना कांग्रेस पार्टी ना मणिपुर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी ना थमजरिब डिमांड सिंग असे थबक ओंथोक पिरकनी हाइबगी थाजब लई.
Speaking to media, Moirang Thimokindra also appealed to local MLAs to stop acting as if they are distributing essential items from their own money to voters. He added that every person above the age of 5 years of age should be provided 5 kg of rice under PMGKY. He also mentioned that government has sanctioned 25 lakh rupees for each local MLA fund to be utilized during the COVID-19 lockdown. Kendra also appealed to the state government to provide proper quarantine facility for those stranded students who will be returning home.
Close to 86% urban population stay koi masigi napsagi cheng phangpham thoe rural dana close to 89 chama da 89 ne yam yamgre adu regadi akhoi de lemhori ba masing si yam yamdre haijabani masi properly si nabi ba matamda kanam te khoi se chara hen ba mi leiroi napsagi cheng se sina chahi chuppa natraga tha chupagi cover tawde si khangbi raga ngasi bharat ki prime minister na PMGKY gi makhada mipum khuding makta chahi manga another चेंग के जी मंगा मंगा पीबगी वाफम थम्बिग्रे मजु था अहुमगी लॉकडाउन तोरिबा पेरेचिगी लोइना पल्स सिमा खोई के जी मा पार फैमिली दा पीनबा लेपीग्रे स्वाइद फंगनदबगी लान उनरिबा तोरिबा मयाम ngangnariba wahi wata mayam dalengaks de yauriba mantri kayan district incharge puba kayan MLA kayan masilanai degi purakpani sarkar gi natti haibane chingba madu social media gi networks yam wange mayam loi ubiramani thengna biramani lanai de puragadi ekhoina swaida ne ekhoina question tawjari se kadai degi no ngasai gi hairiba cheng sidi yamna restrict tawba cheng ni kadai de yon bano.
Kurai MLA El Susindro has launched a new website called www.tengbangkurai.in to aid those from the constituency stranded outside the state due to COVID-19 outbreak. Launching the website at his residence in Kurai Tinsit Road today, MLA Susindro appealed to stranded people of Kurai constituency to visit the website and submit their application latest by May 3rd, stating that it is mandatory for those returning from abroad to be quarantined for 15 days. He asserted that necessary quarantine centers will be opened at the earliest. MLA Susindro declared that Chingkhaiching Residential School will be set up as the first quarantine center of the constituency. He urged the people and local clubs of the constituency to extend necessary cooperation.
Social distance tawdabani amaga unaba yade lockdown tawribani sigi manung seisa form thabane na form tharaganda form thabadu lobu chatna na honabada madu awaba mu praja jinda pibado madu ai tasengna pamdabadagi masumba website se akoina launch tawbani sigi link se khoige hek khurai kendra da leiba praja chinau sina amasung club ki chinau sina natra any xy jena akoi sigi link se mayamda share tawbiyo ado share to birakanda sigi link sina akoi mayam punamakta akoi khangalakanda yamna araiba monda akoi keno se submission je tawna ba hona biyo do masi within 3rd of the keno May poki manung da masi submission to birak tawragadi akoina kwaidagi hena araiba keno oigani.
Open market sale was held at Andro Parking in Palace Compound under the strict supervision of District Administration, Imphal East from 6 a.m. till 2 p.m. today to ease public plights in the wake of COVID-19 situation. Imphal East District Police personnel and volunteers of all Kongba Road United Club Organization Akruko, a conglomerate of 17 local clubs of Kongba Road, kept strict vigil to ensure that the public maintained social distancing and wear face masks as per the WHO guidelines. Many people came out to buy essential commodities during the relaxation hour. Speaking on the sidelines, Akruko convener Hirom Lenin urged the public to extend necessary cooperation in combating the coronavirus outbreak.
Manipur COVID-19 santorappaga mari lenana ko santortana ba haidna mayam punmam phun singda social distancing phajana tawba mask yaw da mina pot leiba yon ba thingna ba chatharakpa program gi makha ta boina ngasi koi konuma mang ko andro parking da chathari ba market sida koi club tra te na punma body jina laga koi mayam da social distancing to handana pot chei leiba da mask yaw da mi da jangan da ba leihan yolan da ba madi mask up da mi pot yolan da ba na chingba koi chasin da pot ka hena ma mantang yon ba thingna kon makha chathajari hai ba sumna koi jaga sing da leiba club sing na su koi sum basi chathabirakna mayam punna punboina koi lingjan manana sumba daina ri santorok podegi thimina si koi makha ta na su koi chathajagi gani koi committee sigi koi hand sanitizer adei mask koi glove pham basing da su koi angam basing koi yenthok chari makha ta na su koi yenthok chagi gani.
And on the other hand, Secretary of Chamber of Commerce W. Manglem said that most of the shops in Pauna and Thangal markets remain closed even after relaxation for selling daily essential items during lockdown by the government. Speaking to media, W. Manglem expressed concerns that godown owners are selling their commodities at desired rates. Manglem appealed to people to buy essential items from the market and not from godowns.
Polo ko hoji free or bani bazar gi dukan grocery dukan sing loi na open to ni aduna Manipur gi bazaar miyam adagi akhoi locality da Imphal East leiba West leiba district miyam se leiba Dharmasala ha khana ba miyam MG Avenue sa de leiba grocery disina heart of center de sida loi na hangi se sida laga polo gi no godown gi polo gi no kariguma akhoi na godown gi polo bi ba semro commercial akhoi na re chatma tam thenara gi pot leiba misu yol misu anima panis phangoi de bagi maram leite.
Manipur Peace and Integrity Council, MAPI Council, in a press release said it has extended essential items to the residents of Uran Chiru in Lamlai constituency. Secretary of MAPI Council Secretary M. Neta has condemned the local MLA for distributing only 2 kg of rice per head in the village. He appealed to provide befitted share to the residents. And UCM President Sunil Karam has emphasized that only love and harmony between hills and valley inhabitants will protect the integrity of Manipur. Thanking the Tangkhul Music Forum and Chingtam Sports Association from extending fresh vegetables from hills for the valley inhabitants as COVID-19 relief items today, Sunil Karam espoused the same. Speaking on the occasion, famed folk singer Guru Rivin Mangshava said villagers of Changa village, Imphal, Kamjong Road along with other hilly residents brought fresh vegetables for the valley residents. He said the gesture is a symbol of love existing between the hills and valley inhabitants since the time immemorial. UCM, Tangkhul Music Forum and Chingtam Sports Association also presented vegetables to IFAM members on the occasion.
Warakanda tampakta leiriba isnaukchina kari sarige singda leiriba isnaukchina kari sarige haibasige brotherhood oibagi relationship se masi external force ama khatana thugaiba ngamoi haibase ngasi ching amasung tamgi lakpiriba isnauksing amasung akoi tampakta leibiri mayam sing sigi asobu phirep amani ana logje aduna asigumlaba yamna united oiba asugba wakal menga se in future tungda oiraga su aikai punna lepa kanda atopa external force am kaktana manipur da namthaba ngamoi haibase akoi thamjani
manipur da chingmi tangmi tangkhul naga kuki maite marakta khenaba kaya kaya leina pui inadana tawna mayam se id madu tokpio karigumba phatana daba leibinaraba tamidegi su chingdegi su soiba khobu leirasu phaminaraga sorta dominaraga table up tawraga region together tawraga akhoi chaminaraga kamaina khoi manipur se chokha hansira nungsi chana le hansira haibagi wakhalomda masigi khudong chaba loirang si sigi numiksida message tawjaningi.
Indigenous Peoples Association of Kanglei Park, IPAC, Manipur, in a press release said it has received various complaints on misappropriation of funds meant for beneficiaries under various schemes. IPAC warned of legal actions by filing social information report. Koki Students Organization KSO distributed relief materials to the people of Sagang in Churachandpur district who have been facing inconveniences due to the COVID-19 lockdown. The student organization, led by the president of Samulan Block, Tongminthang Khongsai distributed 1 kg of potato each to more than 3,000 households of 75 villages in Sagang area, while All Manipur United Clubs organization Amuko also distributed 5 kg rice to each tenant of Singjume Chongtham Leikai. Amuko also donated rice to orphanage Poiret Nawakon in Koirengai Achanbigai. Comrade Students Union distributed 5 kg rice to each household of Kangchup Chiru, Utongko, Koireng and Ikaupai in Kangpokpi district. Local MLA RK Imo also distributed food items to the people of Sagolban constituency for the third time. CAF and PD Employees Union in a press release strongly condemned the alleged assault on Civil Supply Inspector of CAF and PD Department H. Bobby and Area Officer L. Itombi while trying to nab those who were drawing crude oil steadily at MS Haibok filling oil pump. Chandra Nadi Taupokpi in Imphal West District on April 17th evening. The union appealed to the government to award befitted actions against those involved in the incident. People in the state failed to abide by government's guidelines on lockdown. Manipur police personnel continue to crack down on lockdown violators. Speaking to media, Imphal Police Station SDPO TH Vidyapati urged people to extend necessary cooperation in combating the coronavirus outbreak.
Tangai phadana tholakta yadabagi thoklagasu mass upirao aduga lepot leiba natraga bank changba matamda queue system maintain tawbiyu meter mamam lapna lepiyu simtang haizaninge aduga khoigi two wheeler vehicle da mi ani namaga tongba ahum namaga tongba sima sungya yadre chata yadabane hairaga sumi ama khaktamak thawbirao gari achauba four wheelers da nami ani sidagi henba masing yadaba na regulation leiribasi follow tawbiyu na su haizaninge mayamda.
A combined team of Imphal West District Police and Commando book curfew violators at various places of Imphal West District today. The team, led by Commando DSP Thochom Thomas, under the supervision of Imphal West District, SP issued fines to many curfew violators at Tera Bazaar. Speaking to media, DSP Thochom Thomas appealed to follow government's guidelines meant for public welfare.
Lengakna lockdown thamiba matam sidadi praja mayamna maram chadana thokpirakanu lekai gi ingjana pi grocery gumbada thokpirake hai targasu gari puthokta bida khongna thokpirau maram chadana gari puraga thokpiraga di koi gi maduga matik chaba khoi adum tawba kai tare punishment hai tare adu adum pijagani curfew violator sing do adum chakha section bina adum tawbiro hai tare four wheelers tana driver ga adagi passenger am ga tonggadawa aduga two wheelers tana only thoriba midun tonggadamni adu co passenger tongba yade adu matan
Manipur State Legal Services Authority MASLSA held an awareness campaign on health advisories and safe practices dedicated to frontline workers fighting COVID-19 in Imphal City today. Malsa members Secretary Guy Fusilu Golmai, Additional Member Secretary Omesh Mutum and Deputy Member Secretary Sorokaibam Sadananda along with Imphal West SP and Traffic Control SP took part in the campaign. Face masks, sanitizers and water bottles were distributed to police and traffic police personnel, street hawkers, truck drivers, sweeper and other frontline workers on the occasion. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you updates on coronavirus cases. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. The number of active COVID-19 cases in India have crossed 21,000. Altogether, 886 patients have died so far, and around 6,361 people have recovered. Maharashtra is on the top list with more than 8,000 positive cases and with 342 deaths. Gujarat and Delhi are in the second and third of the list. Globally, USA is on the top list worldwide with more than 9,87,300 positive cases and more than 55,000 deaths. USA reported 162 new cases today. Spain is the second place with more than 2,29,400 positive cases and 23,251 deaths. And Italy is in the third place with more than 1,97,600 confirmed cases and more than 26,600 deaths. China, from where the virus started, it's at 10th place with 82,830 positive cases and 4,633 deaths. China reported 3 new cases today. Coronavirus has infected more than 13,000 people. Worldwide, nearly 2,07,900 people have succumbed to COVID-19 and 8,88,339 people have recovered so far. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held a video conference with state chief ministers to discuss various aspects relating to COVID-19 situation. Issues related to graded exit for the ongoing lockdown were understood to have figured in the discussion. Among those present at the interaction include Home Minister Amit Shah and Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Chief ministers of hotspot states expressed desire to extend the lockdown during the meet, and Chief Minister of COVID-free state mooted to continue with lockdown with relaxations in certain activities. Chief Minister Nongthombam Brain, Health Minister L. Kumar, Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu, DGP L. M. Kaute, Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Rajesh Kumar and Health Department Principal Secretary V. Vumlunmang also took part in the video conference with Prime Minister Narendra Modi from Chief Minister's Secretariat in Babupara from 10 a.m. till 12:30 today. Mizoram and Meghalaya Chief Ministers expressed desires to extend the lockdown in the meet. Thirty-three healthcare workers of Max Super Speciality Hospital in Patparganj of East Delhi, including 2 doctors, have been tested positive for COVID-19 so far. On April 15th, the hospital has announced that it will test all its workers for COVID-19, and the 33 cases were found during this process, while a 50-year-old COVID-19 patient allegedly committed suicide by jumping from the 5th floor of Victoria Hospital building in Bangalore this morning. Sources said in the hospital, the patient, who had suffered renal failure and was on dialysis, was depressed after the death of patient number 465 in the ICU ward on Sunday. Indian Institutes of Technology and Indian Institutes of Information Technology will not hike tuition fee for any course for the academic year 2020-2021. This was stated by Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank in New Delhi yesterday. He said the decision was taken after consultation with the chairman of the Standing Committee of the IIT Council and directors of IITs. The HRD minister said in case of the centrally funded IITs, it has been decided that the standard 10% hike in the tuition fee for undergraduate programs will not be implemented this year. He said he has also requested the IITs run in the public-private partnership mode not to hike the tuition fee for the coming academic year for any of their courses. Researchers at a Hong Kong university say they have developed an antiviral coating which could provide 90 days of significant protection against bacteria and viruses such as the one causing COVID-19. Researchers at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology said that the coating called MAP1 took 10 years to develop and can be sprayed on surfaces that are frequently used by the public, such as elevator buttons and handrails. South Korean officials have calling for caution amid reports that North Korean leader Kim Jong-un may be ill or is being isolated because of coronavirus concerns, emphasizing that they have detected no unusual movements in North Korea. At a closed-door forum on Sunday, South Korea's unification minister Kim Young-chul, who oversees engagement with the North, said the government has intelligence capabilities to say with confidence that there was no indications of anything unusual. Rumors and speculation over the North Korean leader's health begin after he made no public appearance at a key state holiday on April 15 and has since remained out of sight. South Korea media last week reported that Kim may have undergone cardiovascular surgery or was in isolation to avoid exposure to the new coronavirus. Unification Minister Kim Young-chul cast doubt on the report of surgery, arguing that the hospital mentioned did not have the capabilities for such an operation. Protection and Preservation Committee of Manipur PPCM has extended financial assistance to PPCM advisor cum President of Apunba Manipur Kanba Ima Lub Amkil Ima Panjobam Sakhi, who is currently undergoing treatment at Jennings Hospital. It may be mentioned that Ima Sakhi is among those brave Manipuri women who fought valiantly against UPSPA in 1958. Forest Department demolished 2 illegal sheds at Waikong Pine Reserved Forest area along Kakching Range under Taubal Forest Division this morning. A team under the supervision of Taubal Forest Division DFO Debala Laifrakpam carried out the eviction drive. Speaking to media, Kakching Range RO and Munal warned of evicting all illegal encroachers at protected forest and reserved forest areas. Titiula King Lesemba Sanajauba's appeal to people not to spread communal opinions and hatred on social media in connection with cutting down of Uningthau Ujau Urel at Kongba Maru shrined by unknown miscreants. Speaking to media in a press meet attended by members of Kongba Maru, Laipam Lane Kanba Apunba Lup, other organizations and local clubs at Palace Compound. Today, the Titular King Lesemba Sanajauba said that a memorandum has been submitted to Chief Minister Nongthomba Biren about the same, and investigations by a team, including SP Imphal, started since yesterday.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ COVID-19ꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯡꯉꯩ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯤꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯆꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯨꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯎ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯣꯡ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯟꯊꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯟꯊꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯤꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯎꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯣꯜ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯊꯥꯖꯅꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ.
Umang Lai Kanba Apun Balub Ukal has strongly condemned the cutting of Uning Thau Ujau Urel at Kongba Maru Shrine by unknown miscreants. Ukal also appealed to the government to protect the historically significant shrine. It may be mentioned that one of the two trees, which is believed to be siblings of the same site, was felled down by unknown miscreants in 2006. Lotus Flower Stadium, which is under construction at Guangzhou City in China, will be the world's biggest football stadium. 8 times Chinese Super League champion Guangzhou Evergrande Club initiated the construction of the football stadium, which is worth $1.7 billion with a sitting capacity of around 1 lakh people from 16th of April 2020 amid the coronavirus pandemic, which began from Wuhan City in China since last week of December 2019. Shanghai-based designer Hassan Syed designed a lotus flower-shaped stadium with an aim to uplift football sport in China, which is ranked 76 in FIFA ranking. China will host the upcoming AFC Cup 2023 held under the aegis of Asian Football Confederation. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Manipur's first COVID-19 patient free from surveillance tests negative for the 4th time today. MPCC President M. Okendra tells MLAs to stop wooing voters while distributing COVID-19 relief items, demands proper execution under Disaster Management Act 2005. Kurai MLA El Susindro launches website to aid people of Kurai constituency stranded outside the state. Active cases of COVID-19 in India crossed 21,000. Death toll reaches 886. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds video conference with state chief ministers to discuss various aspects relating to COVID-19 situation.